The international watchdog, the People's Vaccine Alliance, reported in November that rich countries had ordered up to 3.8 billion doses of coronavirus vaccines. It said these nations had ordered enough to vaccinate their entire populations nearly 3 times over by the end of this year. On the other hand, COVAX, the global collaboration which was formed to ensure poor countries got their fair share of vaccines, was only able to purchase 700 million. It added that 90% of the people in 67 poor countries that depend on COVAX were unlikely to get a jab this year. Experts say such inequality is counterproductive.
Even as vaccines start protecting the most vulnerable, we're not going to achieve any levels of population immunity or herd immunity in 2021. And even if it happens in a couple of pockets in a few countries, it's not going to protect people across the world.
The WHO now wants the international community to do more to ensure all countries have access to vaccines. Rolling out vaccines is one thing, but getting people to take them is quite another. Vaccine skeptics point to safety concerns due to their rapid development in 2020. Many say they're worried about the potential side effects from the shots. In the U.S., authorities say 21 people who received the first dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech or Moderna vaccines experienced severe allergic reactions, which were potentially life-threatening. In recent weeks, the world has seen new variants emerge and spread violently. Laboratories worldwide are now scrambling to understand them and to see if the vaccines can fight them off. Meanwhile, there's still lack of knowledge over how long one stays immune after taking a shot. Moderna, for example, says immunity from its vaccine lasts for only a year. The reality is that while vaccines are raising global public confidence, the pandemic still poses a host of what are called last-mile challenges for both rich and poor countries. With that in mind, experts suggest social distancing and other control measures should be maintained for the foreseeable future. Chuck Tinte, CGTN.